Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about league tournament. League tournament, it is a tournament in which every team has to play with every other's teams, irrespective of win, loss or draw. Okay, in league tournament, every team has to play with every other's team, whether the team win, loss or draw. The winner will get for win 2 point, for draw 1 point and for loss 0 point. And the team which get more point, he will be the winner of league methods. In league tournament also, there are two methods to decide the winner. British method. In British methods, total point obtained, total point, okay, total point obtained upon total possible point into 100. And second methods is American methods. In American methods, match won upon total match play. Total match play into 100. Okay, and the team, these are the two methods to decide the winner. The team which get more points, he will be the winner in league tournament. And in league tournament, there are three methods to draw league fixture. Stair methods, cyclic, and last tabular method. These are the three methods to draw league fixtures in league tournament. Okay, league tournament, it is a tournament in which every team has to play with every other's teams, whether he win, loss or draw. Advantage. What are the advantages of league tournament? The first advantage of league tournament is ample opportunity. League tournament provide maximum opportunity to the player to show their talent. Okay, league tournament, it provide maximum opportunity because in league tournament a team has to play with every other's teams. Therefore, first advantage, is ample opportunity. Okay, in league tournament, a team has to play with every other's teams. Therefore, league tournament provide maximum opportunity to show their talent. True winner. In league tournament helps to provide true winners. Okay, league tournament helps to find out the true winners because he has to compete with every other's team. Therefore, the true winner can be find out through league tournament, through league methods. Next is improve performance. Improve League tournament helps to improve the performance, as the team get new experience. If the team play more match, then we will get new experience. Therefore it's hard to improve the performance of our players. Okay, the team get new experience which have to improve the performance. Skill selection. Skill in league tournament. League tournament helps to provide skill selection. Skill selection of a player can be done with the help of league tournament. Provide ranking. Provide ranking. In league tournament, the winner will get 2 points, for draw 1 point, and for loss 0 point. And according to that, we decide the winner. So in league tournament, the player get their ranking. The player know their positions. It's hard to find out their ranking. Okay, every team get their ranking in league tournament. Next is player interest. In league tournament, the interest of the player is more. Okay, in league tournament, the interest of the player is more because they get more chance to show their talent. Therefore, the interest of the player will be more in a league tournament. Good challenge. League tournament helps the player to overcome the challenge. If there is any challenge, the person is able to overcome. The team has sufficient match. If the team plays sufficient match, then he can overcome the problem, overcome any situations. Therefore, the league tournament provide a good challenge to overcome any problem. Next is disadvantage. Okay, what are the disadvantages? The first disadvantage of league tournament is time consuming. As in league tournament, the number of matches is more because the player has to compete. The player has to play with each and every other teams. Therefore, the number of matches in league tournament is more. Therefore, it is more time consuming. More time is required to conduct the league tournament. Large arrangement. League tournament. To conduct the league tournament, we require large arrangement. As the number of matches is more, we require large arrangement. We require more playground, more official, more judge, more umpire, etc. The arrangement, we require large arrangement to conduct the league tournament. Less level of interest. Less level of interest of spectators. The interest of the audience will be lost after some time due to repeated competitions between the player. Okay, the interest of the audience will be lost after some time. And more expensive. The league tournament, it is more expensive because we require more arrangement. Okay, because in league tournament, the number of matches more, so we require more arrangement, more fun. Therefore, the league tournament is more expensive as compared to knockout tournament. Okay, league tournament. In league tournament, every team has to play with every other's teams, irrespective of win, loss or draw. In knockout tournament, if a team lost the match, he will eliminate from the tournament. The persons will not get second chance. But in league tournament, the player will get the second chance. He has to play with every other team, whether he lost, draw or win. Now, methods to draw league fixtures. There are three methods to draw league fixtures: stair methods, cyclic methods and tabular methods. First we draw the stair methods fixtures. Stair method league fixture. Okay, stair methods league fixtures. First, let's total team. Let total team is 7. Okay, let total team is 7. Now, in league tournament, every player has to compete with every other teams. So first, number of round, total number of round. Total round is n minus 1. So 7 minus 1, here the total round will be 6, and total match is n minus 1 upon 2. This is the method to find out the total match in league tournament. So n means number of team, 7 minus 1 upon 2 means here the total match will be 21. So here the total round is 6. So 6 round, first round, second round, third round, fourth round, fifth round and sixth round. Okay, that will be the 6th round in this tournament. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So in first round, one will compete with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In first round, we kept the 1 at a fixed place. Now in second round, we will keep the second at fixed place. So second already compete with the 1. ठीक है, second का 2 के साथ फाइट हो चुका है. So next the second will compete with the third. There will be competition between 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6, 2 and 7. Now in third round we will keep the third at a fixed place. Third compete with the 1, he compete with the 2. So now he will compete with the 4. Third, fifth, third compete with the 6 and third compete with the 7. Now in same way, in fourth round we will keep the 4 at a fixed point. 4 already compete with the 1. He also compete with the 2. He also compete with the 3. Now he will compete with the 5. There will be the competition between 4 and 5, 4 and 6, and competition between 4 and 7. Now in fifth round we will keep the fifth at a fixed place. Now fifth already compete with the 1. He also play with the 2. 3 के साथ भी उसका कंपटीशन हो चुका है, 4 के साथ भी हो चुका है. Now 5 will compete with the 6. 5 compete with the 7. Now in 6th round, last round, 6 will compete with the 7. This is the method to draw stair fixtures, stair methods fixture. Okay, this is the in stair methods. Look at this student, it just look like a stair now. That's why this is known as stair fixtures. In stair methods, in each round we will keep the player at a fixed place. In first round we keep the first player at a fixed place. In second round we keep the second at a fixed place. In third round we keep third at a fixed place. In fourth we have kept fourth at a fixed place, and in fifth we have kept the fifth at a fixed place, and in sixth we have keep sixth at a fixed place. And this is the total math, and this is the process to draw knockout fixtures. Okay, first round competition between 1 and 2, competition between 2 and 3, competition between 1 and 4, competition between 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. In second round competition between 2 already compete with the 3. ठीक है, 2 का 1 के साथ competition हो चुका है. Therefore now 2 will compete with the 3. There will be the competition between 3, and so on. Let total team is 8. Okay, let total team is 8. So number of round is n minus 1. 8 minus 1, that will be the 7 round in this tournament. And total match is n minus 1 upon 2, and 8 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so here's the total match is total match is 28. Now how to draw stair methods league fixtures. Here's total round is 7. Okay, first round, second round, third round, fourth round, fifth round, sixth round, and seventh round. There are 7 rounds in this fixture. First round, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Okay, 7th round. There are 7 rounds in this fixture. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now in first round we will keep 1 at a fixed place. So There will be the competition between 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7 and 1, 8. Now in second round we will keep second at a fixed place. Now second will compete, second will play with third because second already compete, already play with one. ठीक है, second one के साथ already fight कर चुका है. So now second will compete with the third. Second 4 के साथ competitions. Second 5th competition between second and 6, 2 and 7, 2 and 8. Now in third round we will keep the third 3 at a fixed place. Now there will be the competition between 3 and 4. Why? Because 3 already compete with the 1. 3 का 1 के साथ fight हो चुका है, 2 के साथ भी हो चुका है. Now he will compete with the 4. 3 compete with the 5, 3, 6, 3, 7 and 3, 8. Now in fourth round, 4 we will keep the 4 at a fixed place. Now 4 already compete with the 1, 2, 3. Now we will compete with the 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Okay. Now in fifth round we will keep fifth at a fixed place. Fifth का 1 के साथ fight हो चुका है, 2 के साथ भी हो चुका है, 3 के साथ भी हो चुका है, 4 के साथ भी हो चुका है. Now अब वो 6 के साथ fight करेगा. 5 will fight with the 6. 5, 7, 5, 8. Now in sixth round 6 will compete with 7, 6, 8. In last round 7 competition between 7 and 8. This is the steer fixture. Okay, total match, number of round. Let's take the example of 5 total team. Total team is 5. Okay, let total team is 5. Now let total team 6. Okay, let total team is 6. Now there will be the competition. Number of round n minus 1, 6 minus 1, that will be the 5 round. Total match is n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, total match n minus 1 means total match is 6 minus 1, 15. Now here's number of round is 5. First round, second round, third round, fourth round and fifth round. There are fifth round in this fixture. In first round we will keep 1 at a fixed place. 1 compete with 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in second round, competition between second and third, second and fourth, second and 5, second and 6. Now in third round there will be the competition between 3 and 4. Why? Because 3 already compete with the 1, he already compete with the 2, now he will compete with the 4. 3 compete with the 5, 3, 6. Now 4 competition between 4 and 5, 4 and 6, and in last round competition between 5 and 6. Now here's the winner. Winner will get 2 points. Winner will get 2 points for draw. If the match is draw, then the both team will get 1 point. And for loss, if the team lost the match, he will get 0 point. Therefore, and there are two methods, British methods and league methods, and the team will get more point. Therefore, the team will get more point. He will be the winner of this tournament. This is the conclusions you have to write. Okay. In question, first you have to draw the fixtures according to the questions. After that, you have to find out the winners. It may be asked in the form of British methods or league methods. If it is in the form of British methods, you have to decide then in British method total point obtained upon total possible point into 100. Winner 2, for loss 0, and for draw 1. And the team which get more point, he will be the winner of the tournament. Next is cyclic methods. There are 3 methods: stair methods, cyclic methods, and league methods to draw league tournament. Now cyclic. In cyclic methods, cyclic methods, with the help of cyclic methods, how to draw league fixtures. Let total team is 5. Okay, it is odd number. So for odd number of round, for odd number of round is number of round is n. 5. And total match n minus 1 upon 2. 5 minus 1 upon 2. 10. Now there are 5 rounds. First round, second round, third round, fourth round, and fifth round. Okay, there are 5 rounds in this tournament. In cyclic fixtures, as the name cyclic, so you have to round it like a cycles. Okay, first, since total team is 5, whenever the team is odd number, we will give 1 by. Okay, so 1 by, we will keep by at a fixed place. Keep the by at a fixed place. We will keep by at a fixed place. Now the remaining team, that will be the competition between remaining team. It will be go in round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And first round, in first round there will be the competition between 1 and 4, 2 and 3, and 5 he has got the bye. Now in second round 5 will come in the place of 1. Okay, 5 and remaining in circle 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it will round as a circle. Whether you clockwise or anti-clockwise go this. Now in third round 4 will come in the place of 5. 4, after that 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now in fourth round 3 will come in the place of 4. Okay, 3 will come in the place of 4, and then after 4, after 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Now in last fifth round 2 will come in the place of 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. This is the method to draw cyclic features. This we will decide. We will deeply, okay, the cyclic method, cyclic features we will deeply study in our next video. Okay, this is the method to draw cyclic features. The team in first round, second round, third round, competition between 1 and 4, 2 and 3, and so on. If the total team is odd number, we will give 1 bye. And if the total team is even, we will not give bye. And in stair methods, no bye. We will not give any bye. Whether the total team is even or odd, we will not give any bye. But in cyclic and tabular, we will give bye. When the total team is odd, we will give 1 bye. Okay. Thank you, student.